Morning, everybody. Jason, Hollis Farms. Got Rose in the back. We headed down. It's cooled off pretty good bit. It's low 40s and not supposed to get any warmer pretty much all day. I may drop a little bit after daylight and stay pretty steady around 39, 40 all day. It ought to be good. They ought to move if they didn't move all night. And windy. Woo. It's gonna be chilly this morning with this wind blowing. I think the wind's supposed to be blowing 10 to 15 pretty much all morning, maybe all day. It'll get worse this afternoon. But with this change of temperature, maybe they'll move. I'm gonna go get in that stand that I put up in the rain yesterday and see what we can see. It's gonna be cool. To cover this old head up. It's gonna be probably one of our coolest mornings yet, especially with that wind. Maybe we'll get lucky.
Alright, y'all, we locked and loaded. Temperature's dropping and the wind is howling. I'm hoping they come down there and try to check these grapes after this rain. It's gonna be a tough fit. It's cold. The temperature's not too bad, it's just that wind's blowing solid.
Where you at, Rose? Rose. Where you at? Hey, girl. Come here. I ain't going riding yet. What you doing? What you doing? What you do? Oh, you some crazy old dogs. Yeah. Alright. Me and Rose ate us a little breakfast, a little honey bun. Got a fresh battery for the panel trap. Hadn't fooled with it in a while. I'm gonna go put a little corn in it, put a fresh battery, and see what's coming through there. Still kind of drizzling, boy, and it's cold. Got cool. Alright, y'all, I just had to run and get a big load of hay. We gotta hurry up and get in this Nissan and go grab Rose and get back in a tree somewhere. This wind's blowing, but it's cool. We might do some good this evening.
Alright, y'all, we locked and loaded for the afternoon. Temperature's been dropping since I got down this morning. Wind's blowing about 20. Probably about 38, 37 degrees now without field that was thick, close to thick pine trees, young pine trees. Got some young trees back this way in a field not too far that way. And a scrape right under me. This is where we had that big 7-point. At 15 yards and I couldn't get a shot. The wind's kind of iffy, but maybe we'll get lucky. It's gonna be lovely there this afternoon. My tree won't be still. It is blowing.
Y'all made it out. Had a pretty good hunt this afternoon. Wind blowing about 25 or 30 miles an hour. It's cold. Ended up seeing 4, I believe it was, 3 does, and I don't know if I got him on film, but that big 7-point came through. That gummy he went right by the tree that I was in when I saw him last time, but the wind wouldn't have been right for me to get in that tree, and he just kind of skirted right around. He was limping too, so he been fighting with something. Just gonna have to kind of keep knocking around and see if we can get on him, but that was a fun hunt. Had a rifle. I was sitting up there thinking, man, if I'd had my rifle, he'd be dead and we'd be gone 4 o'clock, 4:30, whatever time it was. But anyway, I may get my rifle out a little bit. I don't know. It is cold sitting up in there with a bow. But I mean, I like it. I got some good clothes. It wasn't that bad, but I don't know. I may carry my rifle a little bit, and I've been bad as I've been talking about not wanting to, but I don't know. We'll just kind of see how it shakes out. It don't matter. We're going to stay in the woods anyway. I don't know how much footage I got. If I got enough, we'll make a video. If I don't, I'll carry it over tomorrow. But anyway, appreciate y'all watching.